you will see a window coming up on the right hand side panel. एक पैनल खुलेगा, ठीक है, जिसमें ये बोल रहा है AI functions, ठीक है, AI.ask, AI.translate and we use this. ओके, तो ये हमने इंसर्ट करा। अभी देखो यहाँ पर इसने खुद से एग्जाम्पल ले लिया है। मैं इसको ये अभी जो आ रहा है, दिस इज कमिंग इन स्पेनिश। ओके, वॉट एवर यू आर रीडिंग इन दिस, इट इज इन स्पेनिश। नाउ लेट मी कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू हिंदी। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, AI.translate. This is a additional function which will be available only when you add in, you will update or install this add-in in your Excel. So what this function will do, AI.translate, it will translate anything into any language that you want. So I've selected this text, comma. Now you have to specify which language you want to convert it into. So I want to convert this into Hindi. So I will, in the inverted commas, I will write Hindi. Okay. And if Hindi is available, then it will be updated into Hindi. Let's see if it is possible, if it is available or not. Oh, great. So can you see अपने उत्पादका को चैट जीपीटी के साथ एक्सेल में बढ़ाएं? So enhance your productivity with Excel. Now let us convert this into English. AI.translate. You will select this and now you will convert this into English. Boost your productivity in Excel with ChatGPT. Understood? So this is how you don't have to go to ChatGPT to use AI or ChatGPT into Excel. ChatGPT itself is coming into Excel. ठीक है? बट आप पूछेंगे सर कैसे, आपके एक्सेल में तो है, हमारे एक्सेल में तो नहीं है। ठीक है, तो नाउ लेट अस get this. Okay, now this is not the only thing, you can do other things also. You can do other things also like AI.ask. ठीक है, now suppose we want to find out how many holidays are there in the month of December. Okay, so how many Saturdays and Sundays are coming, on what days Saturdays and Sundays are coming, we want to ask. So I will write this, give me the list of Sundays, Saturdays and Sundays in December 2024. This is the prompt I have given. Okay, now let me hit enter. Let's see whether we get the answer or not. It will work depending on your internet speed and other things. Okay, now it has given the output. So basically it doesn't give the output in all the rows. It will give you in one single cell only. Let me increase the cell width and we will wrap text, use wrap text. Can you see the output, everyone? Can you see the output?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
7th,
Yes, sir.
14th,
Yes, sir.
yeah, 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th is Saturdays. A one first, 8th, 15th, 22, 29th is a Sunday, are Sundays. ठीक है, तो ये आपका ऐसा आउटपुट आ जाएगा। ठीक है, नाउ नॉट ओनली दिस, सपोज यू वांट टू हैव द लिस्ट ऑफ सिटीज इन महाराष्ट्र। कल चुनाव है, ठीक है, तो AI.ask or list, AI.list is also one command. Okay, now prompt, list of cities in Maharashtra.